Hello, good morning. I, J. Vijay Chandra, welcomes you to WITS Connect. Today, the topic is on Database Management System Environment. It's part of Database System Design, DBSD. So, Database System Management System is a system, well-organized collection of data, and it facilitates us to add data, update data, retrieve data, delete data, and all the data manipulations can be done under the database management system. Database management system is a collection of database, and it is a well organized database regarding a particular enterprise or a particular organization or a particular topic. So this is all about the database. Actually, what is data? Data is a real facts or figures which used in computer. So when this data is processed, that comes under the information. So the data, if it is a small quantity, it's easy to manage, but a huge quantity of data, we need a software to manage the data, and we need queries or programs to manage that particular data. So queries and programs which facilitate us is known as application program, or is the program which facilitate us to use queries or programs. Actually, what is query? Query is nothing but small command or a statement which we are going to give to the software, database software, which we are going to give database management software to access the data, and retrieve or add, retrieve or delete or facilitate whatever the requirement according to the commands given by us. The query is nothing but a command. So for a database management system or a particular software, any software we take or regarding any particular organization, there are four pillars. One is forms. First one is the forms. Forms are the things which will give input to the data. Data ki manam edaithe input istamo, data ni input ga istamo, danni forms antam. Then comes to the queries. That means the commands which we are going to give to manipulate the data, add the data, delete the data or retrieve the data, that comes under the queries. Then comes to tables. The next thing is tables. The data which we are going to give will be in the form of tables, and these tables will be filled with the help of the forms. That means forms and tables are interconnected, and final result we are going to get through reports. So based on the queries, reports are generated. So the major four pillars for the database management related to a particular enterprise or a software are: first one is the table, where it is a structure to store the data. We are going to store the data, means it will be in the form of a table. Based on the table only we are going to store the data. For example, school report is there. That means what will be there in a school report? Serial number, that is roll number, name of a student, marks in 6 subjects, total and average. So these are the entities which columns which you are going to find in the school report. So it will be stored in the form of a table. It will be stored in the form of a tabular form. And see, you are going to enter the data using the forms. You are going to enter the data. You are going to enter the roll number of a student, name of a student, marks in 6 subjects. Then this report will be generated automatically it will calculate the total, average, pass fail, and even the grade if it is required, ranks also. So all these are the results. So this result is generated using queries. By using the queries, results will be generated, and that result generation is displayed through reports. That means forms are inputs, reports are outputs, tables are the storage medium, that is the database, stored database, and queries are the things which used to change these tables, which used to manipulate these tables. So in database management system, you can retrieve the data, you can take the data, you can manage the data. That means you will see there won't be any redundancy of the database, and you can even manipulate the data, you can delete the data. So all these functions used by using the queries. That means queries are small programs. Okay, if you are going to discuss regarding the Oracle, the queries are the SQL statements, and PLSQL are the small program. So these are the basic terms in the database management system regarding to a software design or software development. So here a simplified database management environment we are going to discuss. Here users and programmers will use the database system. So when you are using a database system, we need a application program. That may be, it may be a Oracle, it may be a DBA, database related softwares, any database related softwares, and database related application program should be executed. Once it's executed, then only database management system interrelated software will be executed. Then it will ask to create a database, and this database will be stored in the database this is the database session. And whereas metadata is data about the data. That means so many data will be stored in different places, that will be stored as a metadata. Metadata is data about the data. So whatever you are going to manipulate or update or delete or do the work on the database, that database is here. And metadata means when you ask a query, the searching function goes through the metadata, and the software will access the stored data. The stored data will be accessed by the software, and software to process or queries the program. So database management software is there, application software is there. Application software and management software both are linked. This is known as the database system. This database system, in the database system, you will store the data in the database. So stored data will be there, metadata will be there. Metadata and stored data will be interlinked. When you execute a query, when you ask to search for a particular concept in the database, or when you ask to retrieve the data, then this through the metadata from the stored data will be retrieved. For example, as we taken school report, I want to, rule number 37 parent came to me. So I want the detailed school report of the rule number 32. Then if I search on it using a query, then 32 rule number related data will be retrieved from the stored data through the metadata. Software will access the stored data. The software will access on what base it will access? It will access based on the query. It will access based on the query. What is that query? Retrieve so and so rule numbers data. That means select so and so rule number 37, select rule number equal to 37, and you are going to retrieve it. That is the query. One statement of the command is called as the query. And if you have to retrieve so many people's things or so much of data, then it comes under the So it comes under the program. Program is nothing but here PLSQL, a set of queries will be clubbed as a program. So software will process the queries or the programs, and these programs will be used to manipulate or work on the stored data, and even these queries are used to add data to the stored data. So application program will work on the starting, then background of it, database management system software, then comes to the stored data. That application program, what is the application program? That designed in front end. This is called as the front end, and this is the back end, and this is the query session. So as I said that there will be forms, queries, tables, reports. Let's go to the, if take an example, మీరు ఒక హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళారనుకోండి, మీ డేటాని టైప్ చేస్తారు. అంటే ఏం పేరు, వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ నేమ్, ఏజ్, and what purpose you came, or if you go to a lab, they will type the data, and even they will take the phone number. Next time if you went, based on the phone number they will give you your data. That means the query will work here, it will search based on the phone number. The query will search and it will give the data. So database management system is a system which is regarding the data about a particular enterprise, organization or any system, but this data is a collective data and well organized data. Well organized data comes under the database management system. So to give the front end there will be a application program, that is the front end program. Then database software will be there, and to access the stored data, the software will be interlinked and the stored data will be there, and even we can store or add the data or append the data. Append means already existing data, we are going to add one more column. So total the data which is there in the database will be in the form of tables. What is a table? Table will be like this: serial number, name, M1, M2, just taking example of 2, tot. So this is the table. Number 1, Raju, 45, 55, 100. Number 2, Ravi, 72, 75, 7, 14. So this is the table. Okay, this table, the data which we enter in the form of forms. How the forms will be? Forms will be like this: enter name, next enter M1, enter M2, submit, cancel. Okay, so here the form will be in this form. Enter the name that you are going to enter. Enter M1, marks in one subject. Enter M2, marks in second subject. That you are going to submit means where this data will store. It data will be stored here in this particular table. The data will be stored in this particular table. Then comes to, if you want to query, if you want to search for the Raju's mark, okay, then you will write a query where name equal to Raju. Based on the name equal to Raju, search for it and generate a report. Report will be generated. Once the report generated means, then it will give the output only regarding the Raju. So regarding the Raju, the output will be given in this particular form where number 1 Raju 45, 55, 100. That means here for a database management system, all these four are the pillars, and based on this, that means this is the stored data, this is the tables. The stored data will be in the form of the tables, and regarding the stored data, the information will be about in the metadata. Metadata means data about the data. Then comes the software to access the stored data. That means to access this particular data, we need a particular software. Then this software, this is the step where the software is required to execute the queries and the programs. To execute the queries and the programs, we need this software. This total software comes under the database management software. Okay, it may be any type of the database related software. It may be a generally used database software is MySQL, Oracle, and all other things. Then comes the application program, where you are going to give the queries or the commands to the software is the application program, that is the developer software. Then the total system is called as the database system. Then the user or the programmers will use this particular database management system. This is totally a simplified form of the database system environment. Hope you all understood well. Thank you. Thank you very much.